It's so fluffy, smushy, messy. What's up guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to make the easiest Play-Doh in the world. So we have this hair conditioner. We bought it from Dollar Tree, so it's not expensive. We have some cornstarch, 2 colors of food coloring. We have these 2 bowls. So we have 1 measuring cup. We're going to take 2 spoons of cornstarch in each 2 bowls. So we have a quarter cup. First thing that we're going to do is that we're going to dip it into here, 1 here, and another one, quite messy. Yay! And now we're just going to do this since it's not really messy. And another one just like that. It ran out, but that's okay. Look at my hands. So messy from all this cornstarch that's right here. Second step, we're going to take 1/4 of this hair conditioner, 1 cup. Now let's put in the food coloring. So you're gonna put red into this one. Here, 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 here. Dots everywhere. And I'm gonna put the cap back on. I'm gonna take this one off. Oopsies. Now I'm just gonna put that right there. Since here's already messy, I'm gonna put that right there. Now we're done putting the green. Spin it. So we're gonna mix it, mix it, mix it. Until it looks kind of like Play-Doh. Oh, fun! Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. It's time to spin. This one turns into Play-Doh. So cool. Now let's make the green one. We're gonna keep spinning, 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 spin. Now let's crush it, smash it, squish it until your house is very messy. Squish, 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 smash, smash, smash. And squish, smash. It turned out fluffy and beautiful Play-Doh. And blobbly. So wiggly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Wait, let's put my hand off. So fluffy. So fluffy. It's just so fluffy. It's so fluffy. And it's so colorful and messy. And messy. And messy. And it's so messy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Bye.